Aloha, beautiful ones. So lovely to be here with you. I'm delighted to be sharing with you this green energy opportunity Kundalini Yoga set as I am still in Ireland and just coming off of our Ireland sacred journey. So I feel like it's quite appropriate and I think that you will enjoy and benefit from it. It is one of my favorite sets and it works with some of the elements that are here in Ireland. It obviously was not created from Ireland, however, there's so many similarities, so it feels quite opportune and perfect timing. This set is invigorating, it is a little more vigorous, and we will be working with one of the goddesses that we connected with on our journey, Sheila Nagig, an Irish Ireland from Ireland. She is seen in many of the ancient ruins all around the island, and she represents fertility, which is creativity. And she is depicted with her vulva displayed. It is very much kind of a symbol of the gateway opening, the portal from your external self to your inner self, the portal between realms, between the inner dimensions, the heavens, and the earth, which we very much steeped in as we've been here on our Ireland sacred journey. Also, moving between the light and shadow of your being, the light and shadow of the world, moving into those inner crevices, those darker elements of your being that you may not want to look at, to transform, to transmute, to heal, to renew, the portal, the gateway of life, death, and rebirth. So this set very much reflects that. We have a particular posture that works with that. We also are going to be working with the green energy, which is symbolic of this island and is also representative of our heart center and is representative of money energy, our abundance, our prosperity, and the opening of opportunities. So I think that you're going to enjoy this set, and I'll be sharing and weaving in with you some of our Ireland sacred journey, as well as guiding you through each posture. This set comes from the Kundalini Yoga tradition of the Yogi Bhajan line. It is actually called the Opportunity and Green Energy set. And on our Ireland Sacred Journey, we went to a stone circle as well as hawthorn trees, holy wells, and different sites that had profound energy and were, in a way, a gateway between the inner realms and between the inner dimensions and the earth, the three-dimensional reality and the fourth and fifth dimensional reality. And one of the things that I had shared with our Celtic guide was how our Kundalini Yoga practice very much is like the experience of being in a stone circle. We, in a sense, are that stone circle. We are portals and gateways to those inner elements within ourselves, to those shadows within ourselves, and to our infinite nature, to the mystery and the mystical elements of our very being and of life. So Kundalini Yoga very much activates, like the stones in a stone circle, activates elements of our being. Both are essential, I find. Both are necessary part of our journey, where we move into the temple of our being, where we move into the pyramid of our being, where we utilize the postures and movements of our physical body, our arms, our legs, that activates and initiates aspects of our being very similarly to a temple, a pyramid, a stone circle, a holy well. So this set, I find, very much is like going into a stone circle, like moving into a holy well, and very much opens up that gateway to our higher awareness, our higher self, and opens up those opportunities to magnetize to us rather than our having to chase those opportunities. And that is why we journey, to open up and to clear those elements that block us and to open up that gateway that we might be more and more aligned to our true path, to our true purpose, and to our true creative endeavors as the world is changing and we are entering a very potent astrological time, which is the Lion's Gate. You may be watching this way into the future of it. It continues for several months. We are very much in an astrological opportunity to align to those deeper elements of our being and to those deeper elements of our path. There is a very powerful alignment with the Lion's Gateway connected to the Stargate of Sirius, which is connected to the Orion's Belt, which is connected to the Egyptian pyramids. So there is an alignment astrologically that also is pushing us into deeper alignments to ourselves. So if we are out of alignment, then these types of astrological events very much kind of push us and challenge us in our day-to-day life and create difficult situations that often we want to escape. But if we utilize our practices, such as Kundalini Yoga, such as this set, we can actually catalyze on those challenges and utilize them, and they can actually be a gift and a blessing to support us in what is not in alignment with our true path and transforming them so that we may align into that true path. So things can crumble and fall apart because they're actually falling into place for us. So I hope that this set supports you, whether it's during this Lion Gate or any other astrological occurrence or wherever you are in your life's path. If you want to receive the full set with the music elements that I actually play in an in-person class, as well as and deeper elements and insights into the set, please go to our membership Patreon online studio. The link is below, and you can get the full class with deeper elements, deeper insights, as well as a whole library of other resources that are ad-free and have other perks, such as discounts on one-on-one sessions and online Zoom group workshops and many other elements. If you're Reiki trained, it also gives you continued training, continued Reiki training and support, as well as mentoring and other insights. So follow the link below. You can check it out. You can check out our membership opportunities. If you have any questions, just go ahead and message me in that platform. And I look forward to seeing you there.